I'm sure you know how fast the excitement of publishing a video crashes after you see the first results. But how can you write magnetic scripts that make people addicted to your videos and help you feel the appreciation they will have for what you create? I struggled for years to find the blueprint elite creators use, and I know it works because results like these don't happen by mistake for talking head educational channels. You will like these 3 hacks I'm about to share because they are so clear and simple. First, you need to discover how to make people want to watch your videos. Second, find out how to know exactly what to write about. And third, once you discover the best structure for a video script and combine it with the first 2 hacks, your videos will become irresistible. How to make people want to watch your videos. It's simple to think that if you create a tutorial that solves a problem, viewers who have that problem will watch. But wait, there are 1,000 more tutorials about the same problem. People click, watch a few seconds, and move to the next one if they don't connect with your style. You lose them. What's the catch? Well, between I have a problem and you showing me how to solve it, there are numerous factors that capture viewers' attention in your video. The way you hook the viewer, the way you talk, the way you structure the information, the way you connect with the viewer, a lot of details. But what elite creators do from the first sentences and what you need to do to make the viewer understand that you are helping them achieve the transformation they want is make the viewer the main character of your video. But how? You are still watching. Why? Let's return to the hook of this video. I'm sure you know how fast the excitement of publishing a video crashes after you see the first results. But how can you write magnetic scripts that make people addicted to your videos and help you feel the appreciation they will have for what you create? It's so clear that the video is designed to help you achieve the transformation you want. It's not a video about a problem. It's a video about you and your transformation. I read this definition a while ago in the book Writing for Emotional Impact by Carl Iglesias, and it got stuck to my brain. What a story is in its purest form. A character who wants something and is having difficulty getting it. And if I am the main character in your videos, I have a reason to watch. I will learn how to overcome difficulties and get what I want. It's so obvious how to make people want to watch your videos, but very few educational creators use this hack. And now you know it, but it's not enough. How to know exactly what to write about. You make a video about solving a specific problem, but still, what exactly do you need to write about? Let's pretend the problem is how to save more money every month. Before starting to write, do research to discover the biggest questions the viewer has about this problem. It's so easy. Write on Google how to save money and check what people are searching for. How to save money on groceries, how to save money on the electric bill, how to save money as a student, how to save money from your salary, how to save money for a house. But let's dig deeper. Add on groceries. Saving money in specific countries. This is important. Save money at specific stores. Save money and eat healthy. Or you can go even deeper and see exactly what people are asking on YouTube. Go to similar channels with similar topics and read the comments. In this video, what are the main questions? How to make people want to watch your videos, how to know exactly what to write about, and what's the best structure for a video script. But it's still not enough. You can extract the main problems and questions from this research to know what to write about, but all these are external problems. You also need to identify the viewer's internal problem. How can you identify it? Take the external problem you discovered from the research. People want to save more money on groceries, and ask why. To have a big fat savings account. Ask again, why? To feel safer. This is the internal problem. The viewer wants to feel safe and, if necessary, be able to buy something without struggle, buy a vacation if they want, and feel financially relaxed. You are still watching. Why do you want to write better scripts? To have more views on your videos, external problem. To grow your business by having more views, external problem. Let's return to the intro again and help you feel the appreciation they will have for what you create, internal problem. You want to see that people like your work and that it makes a positive impact on your viewers' lives. Donald Miller discusses internal problems in his book Building a Story Brand if you want to dig deeper into this. Take the big internal problem, combine it with the external problems extracted from the questions people have, and you know exactly what to write about. But it's still not enough. You know how to make the viewer want to watch your videos and why they want a specific transformation. But what's the best structure for a video script that works? Start with a hook, advance with a setup to explain what's in it for the viewer, give the actual information to help solve the problem, and create a hook for the next video you recommend them to watch. Simple and effective, but you can create your hook by making the viewer the main character and writing the setup around their questions and the internal problem, but the main part of the video comes after that. And here is the hack you need for this section. Split the information into 3 big parts. But to solve some problems, 7 or 9 steps may be required. Group them into 3 main parts. First 2 steps with the next 3 steps and the next 2 steps. But why? Our minds work best when information is split into 3 parts, as the brain can track it without overload. And we see the pattern of 3 everywhere, so we are used to it. Beginning, middle, end. Past, present, future. Body, mind, spirit. Even Sheldon is knocking 3 times at the door. It's a mix of history and tradition, our cognitive limits, and how our brains recognize patterns. You are still watching. Let's review the script again. 3 hacks. And once you combine it with the first 2 hacks, your scripts will become irresistible. Also, you need to know that all 3 are important and you will achieve the transformation if you pay attention to all of them. And if you make me want to watch your video by making me the main character, you assure me I will solve my big internal problem and give me the information structured in a simple way my brain can understand easily without overload, without overwhelming me, I will be instantly attracted to your video. I need to confess, in this video I used many more hacks. If you like this one and consider it useful, don't forget to press the like button and maybe consider subscribing. If this video works well, I will make another one that uncovers more hacks. But you can use all the hacks in the world for nothing and still write perfect scripts for videos that people don't want to watch because you need a crucial skill. To know how to speak in front of the camera to keep the connection with the viewer. And for this I will give you a dedicated video where I share all my secrets for speaking naturally in front of the camera and building a great connection with the audience. Watch this video and become a master at creating educational talking head videos.